right suitcase can sometimes feel like making trade-offs, compromises in certain areas in favor of others. Bags that have all the fancy amenities, usually incredibly heavy. Bags that prioritize being light, usually skimp on quality in certain areas. But what if there was a bag that promises to maximize your options, provide outstanding value and quality with no fluff, while also minimizing the overall weight of the bag? That's exactly what TravelPro claims to deliver with their very popular Maxlite 5 compact carry-on. TravelPro's Maxlite series is a collection specifically focused on being feather light. In a market where airlines are cracking down on weight limits, especially international and budget carriers, being mindful of a bag's weight is becoming more and more important. So with that, I've been personally testing this bag for the last few weeks and just wrapped up a trip to the UK with it. So today I'm going to give you all the details: build, features, where the bag wins, and where it might fall short. Let's dive in. After spending a ton of time with this bag, I would say there are really 4 standout features that make this bag worth the attention. The primary being the bag's specs, specifically its weight. At only 5.1 pounds, this TravelPro bag is arguably one of the lighter carry-on bags on the market. Ideal for someone looking to be mindful of weight restrictions or simply someone who can't lift heavy carry-ons into the overhead bin. One of the main reasons you see bags like this checking in at such a light weight is the material used in the construction of the bag. The TravelPro Maxlite compact carry-on is a soft side suitcase made from durable polyester fabric. It's moisture and stain resistant to help keeping the luggage looking good. Definitely a benefit of soft-sided luggage. But don't underestimate what this compact carry-on delivers at 5.1 pounds. You still get 38 liters of total volume and expansion capabilities of up to 2 inches for additional capacity. There are only a few other bags on the market that I've found that are delivering this type of combination of low weight and higher volume, plus backing it with a lifetime warranty. Aesthetically, it screams TravelPro. It comes in 3 basic colors. It's not a sexy bag like some of the more popular hard-sided suitcases like Air or Monos, but it also doesn't stand out. I mean, it looks like the bag that every pilot and flight attendant uses, especially in this black version, so there's that. It measures 22 inches by 19 inches by 9 inches, making it carry-on compliant for nearly all US domestic airlines and about 40% of airlines worldwide. Not bad, but not the best for international travel. Something to be aware of. In my time with this bag, I developed a love-hate relationship with the power scoping handle. It's a feature that TravelPro highlights on their site for comfort and contour, and there's no arguing that this patented contour grip is incredibly comfortable. I've handled bags 3 times the price of this bag with handles way worse. I appreciate that there's 2 lock positions to accommodate for users' heights, and while there's a slight wobble, you can tell that TravelPro spent some time engineering a balance between lightness and effectiveness with this handle. Now, one issue I did have is that every time I went to load my personal item backpack on top of the suitcase, I did feel like it had a tendency to be a bit unstable and wobble and want to easily tip over if I wasn't holding onto it. Interesting, since TravelPro specifically calls out tip resistant in the bag features because of its tapered construction, but I don't think they're accounting for how this bag may actually be used in real life in tandem with a personal item bag. Not a deal breaker, but something I did find personally annoying. Now, another knock this bag consistently gets in reviews is with the quality of the wheels. Again, in order to reduce weight in this category, you often see brands opting for lighter construction wheels, not something super premium like Hinomoto wheels. It seems TravelPro may have done the same here. They aren't bad by any means, still 360-degree spinner wheels, but nothing really to write home about. I personally didn't have any issues with the bag rolling smoothly through the airport or across roads and cobblestone streets, but I can't attest to how long they'll hold up. Continuing with the exterior, you get 3 solid grab handles, one on the top, one on the side, and one on the bottom of the bag. I appreciate the side handle being horizontal. It's more comfortable of a grip if you need to carry the bag. No fancy zipper upgrades, but they get the job done. The organization of this bag is another great standout feature in my opinion. You get a couple of grab pockets on the front of the bag, love, but nothing that eats into the internal capacity too much, which I love even more. One of them is actually large enough to fit a smaller laptop if needed. Opening this thing up, it's constructed like most soft-sided bags. There's one large space in the main compartment. The lid has a full-length mesh zipper pocket, not deep, but enough to pack a few items. You do get a couple of compression straps, nothing fancy, but they are actually there and they get the job done. Because the bag's tapered design, it provides some natural additional room at the bottom of the bag if you're packing bulkier items like shoes or a sweater, a small feature that I actually found enjoyable while packing this bag. And while I do enjoy packing, I enjoy picking out what to actually pack more, because what goes into your bags matters just as much as the bag itself. And that's where today's video sponsor, Quince, comes in. Most travelers either overpack cheap stuff that they'll toss after a trip or overspend on designer basics just because they want something that feels nice. Neither is a great strategy. What I've learned after years of packing carry-on only is you want a small number of versatile, quality pieces that mix and match, a travel capsule wardrobe. I've been shopping at Quince long before they were a sponsor on this channel because I was personally on the hunt for those elevated basics that worked across every part of a trip. Travel days, sightseeing, nice dinners. Think linen for summer trips, comfortable lounge sets for the airport, quality, versatile pieces that won't break the bank but look polished. Something Quince excels at. They work directly with their manufacturers and cut out the middleman, so you get premium materials at a price that actually makes sense. Not cheap, just fair for what you're getting. Check them out in the link below. They offer 365-day free shipping and returns, so there's zero risk to trying them out. Thank you, Quince, for sponsoring today's video. All right, honest thoughts. There's little for me to be mad about with this bag since it's fairly affordable at $160, one of the least expensive in the lightweight category if you're shopping with weight in mind. Some of the competition: the Antler lightest expandable carry-on is a soft-sided bag with similarly impressive specs and a lifetime warranty, but $100 more expensive at $275. On the flip side, the July carry-on light expandable is a hard-sided bag with similar weight but less volume, and it's still gonna run you $275. So sure, you want a quality bag that's gonna last, but saving $100 while also getting a solid lifetime warranty, plenty of space, makes this a really compelling pick for a lightweight bag option. The lifetime warranty covers wheels, zippers, handles, defects in the material, and workmanship. If you register this bag within 120 days on TravelPro site, you get their trusted companion promise, which adds 1 year of airline damage coverage plus free shipping to a repair facility. So with all this in mind, who's this bag for and who's it not for? It's a great option if you fly primarily US domestic carriers, want something light and compact, and are looking for a solid quality to price ratio. This bag strikes the right balance between quality where it counts and its weight. If you want more bells and whistles, but you like what you're seeing in some of the features of this bag, I would suggest taking a look at TravelPro's Platinum Elite series. They're slightly heavier, between 7 and 8 pounds, but they offer some great upgrades to the bag quality and traveler experience. If you're a more frequent international traveler still looking for a lightweight option, you should watch this video here where we pick our top lightweight bag option in the category. And as good as this TravelPro Maxlite 5 Compact is, it's not the winner, so click here to watch. And as always, thank you for watching. If you decide that this bag is for you or any of the others we mentioned, please consider using the links below. It's no cost to you and it helps us keep making reviews like this. Happy travels.